So you got a 2021 Toyota RAV4 and the key fob battery is dying. Welcome to the club. Keyless entry is a game changer until the battery calls it quits. Let's fix that with a straightforward guide. First, let's grab a new CR2032 battery and this type is standard for many car key fobs. It usually costs under $5. Stores like Walmart or auto parts retailers carry them, or feel free to get them online. Now, the key fob, flip it over and look for the little release switch. Press it and it will pop out a mechanical key. This key is your buddy for accessing the fob's interior. Use that mechanical key to gently open the fob, slide it into the side notch, and apply a gentle twist. Think opening a stubborn jar, not prying a door open. Some finesse is essential here. Once inside, you'll spot the battery. A puck-like disc hanging out comfortably. Make a mental note or take a photo of how it's positioned. It's crucial to place the new one in the same orientation. Use your fingers or a small plastic tool to gently remove the old battery. Avoid metal tools to prevent accidental short circuits. This is where many people mess up, especially if they're in a hurry. Time to insert the new CR2032 battery. Ensure it sits exactly as the old one did. The proper positioning will save you a ton of frustration. If the fob acts funny, a quick recheck here might solve it. Snap the fob halves back together until you hear a satisfying click. Nobody likes to find half a key fob in their pocket later. A seamless, well-closed fob is your target. Test the fob's functions immediately and click the lock or unlock button. Listen for that beep of success. This moment is always reassuring, sort of like turning a phone back on after a drop. Get it work, congrats. You just saved yourself time and money that a dealership service would have taken. Plus, there's something deeply satisfying about handling this on your own. A pro tip, keep a spare battery in the glove box. It always seems like these batteries die at the least convenient moment. Like when you're late for a meeting and that's it. Remember, upkeep like this keeps your drive smooth. Who needs the drama of manual locks in 2023 anyway? If only all car maintenance was this